Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. I haven't recorded like a month, so dub. I need to plug in my computer. I can't hear anything. What the hell? Already. So today I think I'm just gonna be trading with piglins, honestly. I just wanna record this, so yeah. I don't know where we last left off, but I know I'm at like 2 health, so where can I find piglin? Piglin. I'm just okay, so the main reason I'm doing this is because I want to get like obsidian so I can go back to the overworld. No. That's the last thing I want right now. Come on. Bro, I need obsidian. Gravel? No. Fire resistance? Okay, that's good. That guy's eyeing me up over there. Okay, that's good, but that's not the obsidian I want. Oh my god, one piece of obsidian? I don't know if I already have some, but let's check. Do I have any? No, I only have crying obsidian. I may need to go to that bastion for the things. Alright. I want to keep trading. Oh, hey. Oh my god, obsidian. Oh my god, I would have missed that. Wait, what is that? Soul speed? Here, you guys can. Oh my god, that's okay. So it seems like they only give you one obsidian. Is that it? I think that's it. Alright, well, I have 3 obsidian now, so that's good. Alrighty, I need to get more golds. Okay, 3 obsidian, that's good. And I'm gonna die. I may need to go to that bastion, though. So, yeah. Alright, I think that's gonna be it for this video, honestly. Because, well, I mean, I'm not prepared to do anything. Also, sorry if you can't hear me in this video, I'm like, just really. So, thanks for watching, and maybe next video, I'll trade with more piglins, or even go to that bastion. Also, yeah, bye.